This is the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. We're going to unbox it and I'll show you everything inside. So first we have the instruction manual and the regulatory information. Next we have these stickers right here, and if we open these up, you can see there's a ton of different stickers in which you can use to cover up the front of the microphone if you want to hide the Hollyland logo. So you can put some emoji faces, or there's just white or black. I'll probably use the black one itself just to hide it nicely. The little microphone case, this is the holder itself, which is really, really nice. It charges via USB-C right there, you can see in the back. And it's this little pop-up case similar to the Apple AirPods. It feels like that same nice quality for it. So we open it up and we can see, first off, is the receiver. I have the USB-C version, but there is a lightning variation, or there's a variation that you can get that will work with your camera. So nice little piece right here. You can see that USB-C that just plugs right in. We got that little button on the back right there. We'll put that back, and then we'll grab first one of our microphones right here. And you can just see how tiny this is. So really, really cool that they have this really small microphone right here. There's obviously two of them, including the box. We'll actually just look at the one right now, and you can see this one has a little charging piece right here, so it charges within the case. This is a little pairing button right here, and then that is your magnet on the back. So you can put this on the inside of your shirt, and then you clip this on the front. So very, very easy to pair onto your body to have it as a lavalier microphone. So this is one really cool microphone, which I love that idea of it. And when you put this back into your case, you want to make sure that that charging piece right there sits down at the bottom so that it charges inside that little case. And you can see there is a little meter on there, so you can see how charged it is. So it's about 75% charge right now. Could use one more bar. Let's go ahead and see what else is inside of our case right here. So it looks like we've got this little carrying case that has the Hollyland on here. And let's see, there is some things inside of this. USB-C to USB-A charging cable, which is nice and handy. And it's got this little Velcro in the center for it. And this is super handy that they include these. These are the magnetic clips. So they've got those magnets on the outside, so you can clip this to the top of your shirt and then have your microphone clip right onto there. So you get two of those, which is super awesome. And then we've got these, which are two magnetic necklaces that you can put the microphone onto, and you can put this around your head, and then you can use it as a necklace. So you have those to actually have the microphone paired as well. Next, we have the Dead Cat wind muffs right here, which you can put around the microphone, which will prevent any wind noise. So if you're in a very windy area, you could use these. Personally, I probably wouldn't use these because they're quite big and they would show a lot on camera. So we'll just use the microphone as is. And this is the audio of me talking to my iPhone without the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone, and this is how it sounds. And now this is me talking on the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone, holding it about arm's length away. And you can just hear how much better, how much more clear the audio sound is from my iPhone rather than using the internal microphone. So I highly recommend this. It's a great product. And there we have everything included in the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone.